You're so late. Eh, Shita,
Yes, sir.
all. Sushmita,
Yes, sir.
mm, Rajat, Raj,
Yes, sir.
uh, you write down these things like the in this way. You write down at first PV ratio equal to change in profit by change in sale. Okay. Joyraj, always late. Oh, have you written, Shita?
Yes, sir.
PV ratio equal to change in profit by change in sale or change in contribution by change in sale or contribution by sale. Okay, do you get the thing, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, PV ratio equal to contribution by sale. Say in year one, you write down these things. Sales rupees 2 lakh, variable cost 50,000, contribution the sales less variable cost 1 lakh 50,000, less fixed cost 50,000, then profit 1 lakh. Okay. In year 2, if sales goes by, oh, পাগল করে দেবে এরা। দীপান্বিতা, রোজালিন, Adita. Have you recorded it? Sushmita,
Yes, sir. Writing.
right. Have you written the entire thing? Rajat? Ogor?
Sir, writing the.
Yeah, write it. Write it. Have you written?
Sorry, sir, for being late. I had to go to the DM office.
Okay.
So have you given my attendance?
Yes, I have
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Have you taken it?
Yes, sir.
Then, Seta, for sales,
Yes, sir.
you write S here, S, within bracket S, capital S. For variable cost, you write V here, V. And for contribution, you should write within bracket C, contribution C. And less fixed cost, you write within bracket F. And then for profit, you should write P within the bracket. Then what comes? S minus V equal to C. Then C minus F equal to P. Is it not, Susmita?
Yes, sir.
S minus V equal to C. C minus F equal to P. You write down these equations here. S minus V equal to C. And C minus F equal to P. Contribution minus fixed cost equal to profit. Okay. Then you write again PV ratio equal to, you write PV ratio equal to C by S. Then you write, have you written PV ratio equal to C by S? PV equal to C by S. PV, P oblique V equal to C by S. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Then you multiply crosswise. Then what do you get? S into PV equal to C. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Have you written all? S into PV equal to C. Then you write S equal to S equal to what you have to write?
C by PV.
C by PV ratio. Then you write cell at break-even point equal to, you write again C by PV. Have you written? Then under this you write equal to, in case of C, what you can write? You can write C equal to C minus F equal to P. Then C equal to what you can write? Sushmita?
P plus F or
F,
S minus V.
F plus P. You write F plus P.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon is not good.
Sorry, sir.
You have to make afternoon good from next day, okay? Because it disturbs the whole class. Sushmita, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, in case of here, you have written cell at break-even point equal to C by PV ratio equal to F plus P by PV ratio. You may write. Have you written F plus P by PV ratio? PV.
Yes, sir.
Then at break-even point sale, what is the amount of profit?
0.
Therefore, you may write equal to F by PV. এই হোল ক্লাস এত ডিস্টার্বিং না, আমি ভালো লাগছে না, একদম ভালো লাগছে না। যখন খুশি যে খুশি আসছে, কি কোনো কিছু আলোচনা করা যায় না, কিছু করা যায়। Arian, Arian, do you hear me, Arian? From next day, whoever comes late, that he should not join. Sushmita, have you written
Yes, sir.
sale at break-even point equal to F by PV ratio? Then for this sum, What is break-even point? You find out the break-even point. What is F? What is F here?
50,000.
Then you write 50,000 divided by 75 by 100. Is it not? Or 3 by 4. PV ratio equal to 75 by 100. That means 3 by 4. 50,000 divided by 3 by 4 equal to how much? 50,000 into 4 by 3. Then what is the amount? 50,000 into 4 divide 3 equal to how much? 66,667. Is it not? Clear? Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Then for this is the whole organization. The for whole organization break-even point is equal to rupees 66,667. Then for year 1, what is margin of safety? You write down the margin of safety for year 1 equal to sale at selected activity minus sale at break-even point. What is the sale at selected activity for year 1? Sushmita?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. Therefore, you write 2 lakh minus 66,667 equal to rupees 1,33,333. Then margin of safety equal to 1,33,333. Okay. Therefore, if sale price and variable cost is given, fixed cost you know, then you can easily get the break-even point. Is it not? Chita?
Yes, sir.
Then you do the one sum. You write down. Sale per unit equal to rupees 20. Variable cost equal to rupees 15.
Sir, sell 20.
Sale equal to rupees 20, say.
Okay, sir.
Variable cost equal to rupees 15 per unit. Fixed cost equal to rupees 50,000. Then what is your PV ratio? PV ratio equal to Sushmita.
Sale minus VC, then contribution minus FC.
The PV ratio. What is your PV ratio? PV ratio. You just learn PV ratio equal to contribution by sale, is it not?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Then what is your PV ratio?
Five by 20.
Equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 into 100, 25%. Is it not? PV ratio may be expressed in ratios or in percentage. Clear? Do you get the point, Rajat?
Yes, sir.
Sudeep, do you understand?
No, sir.
No, sir. হ্যাঁ, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করার চেষ্টাই করো না তুমি। লেখো সেল ইকুয়াল টু রুপিস 20। Under this you write variable cost equal to 15. Then you draw one line. And then you write contribution within bracket C equal to 5, sale minus variable cost. I have stated PV ratio equal to contribution by sale, that is C by S. That is equal to 5 by 20. That is equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 into 100, 25%. Do you understand, Sudeep? Sudeep? Do you understand? কিচ্ছু কথা বলবে না। Ogod, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, PV ratio equal to 1 by 4 or 25%. Then what is your break-even point? You find it out. What you write? Break-even point equal to F by PV, fixed cost by PV ratio, equal to F কত 50,000 divided by 1 by 4 equal to how much? Sushmita,
Sir, 2 lakh.
2 lakh, rupees 2 lakh. Do you understand, Rajat?
Yes, sir.
Oghor?
Sir, can you explain again?
কে জন? কে বলছো?
Hello, sir. Can you explain again this break-even point? How to find
কে
break-even
বলছো
point?
কে? At first you identify your
Odito.
অদিত। কত দূর লিখেছো তুমি বলো? তুমি আগে
Sir,
explain
how
করো।
break-even point formula
তুমি কি লিখেছো বলো?
আমি break-even point formula
কি লিখেছো?
এটাই জানি না আমি।
এতক্ষণ তুমি কি লিখলে?
এখন ব্রেক ইভেনটা ফর্মুলা কি?
তুমি কি কিছু লিখেছো কি খাতায়?
হ আপ টু
কি
পিবি
লিখেছো?
রেশিও।
পড়ে যাও। কি লিখেছো? পড়ে যাও।
আপ টু পিবি রেশিও
কি লিখেছো? প্রথম থেকে কি কি লিখেছো?
25%।
পড়ে যাও। ইউ রিপিট। কি কি লিখেছো?
Sales per unit 20, variable cost 15, fixed
হুম,
cost 50,000, PV
হ্যাঁ,
ratio, contribution equal to sales minus variable cost equal to 5, PV
হ্যাঁ।
ratio contribution minus sales into 100 equal
না
to
না,
25%.
পিবি রেশিও ইকুয়াল টু কন্ট্রিবিউশন বাই সেল, সি বাই এস।
Into 100.
সি বাই এস ইন্টু 100 বলিনি। সি বাই এস কত?
CBS 1/4.
1/4 ইকুয়াল টু
Hmm.
1/4 ইন্টু 100,
25%.
25%. Then you write sale at break-even point equal to
Hmm. Hmm.
fixed cost by PV ratio, F by PV
Hmm.
equal to F. F means what? Amount.
Fixed cost
What is the amount here?
50,000.
50,000. You write.
Hmm.
You write 50,000. Divide 1/4.
Divide 1/4.
F by CS ratio. F by PV ratio. PV ratio equal to 1/4. Okay.
Hmm.
50,000 divide 1/4 equal to 50,000 into 4. Is it not?
Yes, sir, got it.
Therefore, in this way, you can easily find out the break-even point. Okay? Do you get the thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this graph, I have already depicted this graph yesterday. Do you get the point? Sales at break-even point is equal to contribution by PV ratio equal to fixed cost by PV ratio because profit is 0. Do you get the point, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
You can get the rupee value or you can get fixed cost by contribution per unit. Then you get the units. Or fixed cost by contribution per unit, F by C. Here you may write in this sum 50,000 divided by what is the contribution per unit? Sushmita?
5.
5. 50,000 divided by 5 equal to
10,000.
10,000.
50,000. Yes.
And divided by 5 equal to 10,000 units.
Hmm.
The break-even point may be expressed in units or rupee. Because break-even point, here it is the break-even point. If you come to this, you may get units value, and you draw this line, you may get the rupee value. Therefore, in this sum, it may be 10,000 units. What is the unit? 50,000 by 10,000 units or rupee value. Sell 10,000 units, that sell value koto 10,000 into 20. Sell price per unit equal to rupees 20. Is it not, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, break-even point may be expressed in units or in value. Okay? Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Therefore, break-even point may be expressed, may be find out in two ways. F by PB, you may get the rupee value, or F by C, contribution per unit, you may get the unit. Do you understand, Sita?
Yes, sir.
Is it the thing? This type of sum you have to find in your examination. Then I will assign one task again. At first I am to see the earlier tasks. I will give another task tomorrow. Okay? Based on this marginal costing. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So